2,000 years ago in ancient Rome, a senator could buy a fashionable Roman toga for an ounce of gold. Now, an ounce of gold or Krugerrand is worth 53,000 Rand today. And even for a high-flying exec, 53 grand still buys you a top-tier, high-quality, tailored men's suit. So clearly there's no asset class in history with a longer proven track record to preserve your money from inflation than gold. Now, in 2002, we were introduced to one of the greatest South African creations ever, the King's burger, which back then cost 11 Rand 50. The same burger today costs 84 Rand 90, which is an average annual increase of 9.6%. And inflation, or CPI, over the same period of time is 5.6% a year. So this true South African delicacy, arguably even more beloved than a Wacky Wednesday, has gone up by CPI plus 4% since it was launched. The same amount that healthcare and groceries have gone up by for decades. Meaning if you're going to invest, you have to beat this number as a minimum. Fortunately, there's funds designed for us to do just that, such as this one called, wait for it, the CPI plus 5% fund, which weirdly has done only 7.7% for 10 years and about 7% after fees. And here's the problem with that. In 2002, 3.5 grand would have bought you 304 King's burgers. And if you put that 3.5 grand into the CPI plus 5% fund, today you'd have 15.5 grand and would be able to buy 182 burgers. Now, 3.5 grand back then would have bought you one Krugerrand. And a Krugerrand today is worth 53,000 Rand and can now buy you 630 burgers.